Dr. Coletti, Baywest, we are here with Carissa. She is a patient of ours and has been for a couple months. We did the first Manipuflex move on her about a week and a half ago, and she had a headache that was just non-stop. She is a mother, she is physical, she is active, and she just mentioned to me about this upper back area where she feels like she has a lump. This Manipuflex move we're going to do for the second time today, so get ready. You're going to hear some cracking. You're going to hear some opening up of the spine. You ready, Miss Carissa? All right, first and foremost, we're going to get you on your side, this side up facing me. And we're going to set her pelvis in balance. Looking up to the moon. Good. And back. Up, breathe in for me. Relax. Let it go. All the way. Breathe. Good. Good. And facing me. All right. There we go. Over. You're getting to become a professional almost at this. Breathe. Let it fall. All the way. Good. Good. Okay. On your back. We're just going to grab legs up for a second. Down. Now the Manipuflex move, for those of you that know this move, I get a lot of information on where I learned this. Really not important. The important thing is the patient, that they're getting the results that we're looking for. Some doctors use different contraptions. I use strapping because it's easy and it doesn't bother the patient very much, and we can get it done very efficiently. Because at the end of the day, when we get pressure upon those nerves in the neck and the upper back, this is going to open it up. Is that tight?
That's good.
You're not going anywhere? Good. Hands, tuck them under all the way. And I've got my trusted towel here, which is very hot. The heat's not going to bother you too much, Chris, I promise. I hope not, at least. Head up and down. Good. Is that too warm? Okay, it's kind of warm on my hands, but okay. Now if you want to move forward here and get close to the neck. Okay. And let's say goodbye to any residual headaches at all, if you still have them. Come on in here a little bit. There we go. And just relax. We get the neck stabilized, the pelvis locked in, loose, relax, good. Okay. Relax, loose, 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 loose. Good. A little more, let it fall. Good. Loose. Perfect. How do you feel?
Good.
She meant great, right?
Great. Awesome.
Take care, Dr. Coletti. Baywest, we're out.